Hey guys. Also, I have a different scenery in the back because I changed my room and it looks so cute, but that'll be another video. Anyways, so today I'm doing an updated teeth routine.
Ew.
Because everyone always asks me like how you got your teeth so white, like how your teeth are straight. So before I show you how I white my teeth, I'm going to give you a little, history on my teeth. So when I was little, this is like so embarrassing, like I can't believe I'm telling this, but whenever like growing up, I would like suck my thumb, and my neighbor in Mexico would always tell me, oh, you're gonna push your teeth like forward with your thumb, because I literally just had my fucking thumb in my mouth like 24/7. Like I had my thumb in my mouth like at school. Like I was so gross, but like there's nothing you can change about that now. But yeah, I used to suck my thumb like a lot. I sucked my thumb till I wasn't even that old. I was like 14.
I just thought about it, and that's probably why I don't have a boyfriend.
Okay, I was a little bit grown. So whatever my neighbor told me, it happened. So I used to suck my thumb like this. So I pushed these two teeth forward, and this tooth was backwards. Like they were literally like this far apart. Like I could park a car between like both teeth. They were so bad. And then I never really realized that I had like teeth till I think someone like told me. I think it was like my sister, because she had braces since she was like 13, and she had them for like 3 years. So she got them off when she was 16, and she just had like perfect teeth. I never really saw a problem with my teeth. Like I was never insecure about them because like I was a child. And then I remember one time she told me something like, oh, you have fucked up teeth or something like that. So from then on, like I was so insecure about my teeth. Like I hated them. Whenever I would laugh, I would literally go like
I just realized that I would laugh like a fucking elder. Why would I ever do that to myself? Oh my god.
and like cover my mouth, because I just hated my teeth. Like it was so bad. It was so uncomfortable. It was like I wouldn't smile in pictures. In pictures I would smile like this. So it was so bad. Like I was so insecure about them. And then whenever I was 16, so I was like, hey dad, like can I get Invisalign? And he was like, yeah. So I got Invisalign. I actually have like my first ever like Invisalign retainer that I got. It's it says like my name and my last name, and then I literally put like what the fuck right here, because it's literally like what the fuck content. And this is my first retainer of 23 retainers. So every 2 weeks you get a new retainer, and every week the retainer becomes more and more and more and more straight. So this is how my teeth were. I can't do with these nails, but like these holes are so clean.
Oh, you ladies pop your pussy like.
But yeah, these are it. Look at that. Look at how bad they were. Okay, look at that. You see that? These two are when I would suck my thumb and my thumb like pushed them forward, and this one stayed backward. It pushed forward like these three, but this one stayed backward, and it would look so bad when I would smile. Like they were literally so fucked up. And then these were my bottom ones. The bottom ones weren't really that bad, but still they kind of like overlapped over here, and I just had like fucked up teeth, okay? So then I got Invisalign. Like it's not that bad at first. My mom didn't want me to get it. My mom just wanted me to get regular braces, because she was like, okay, you're gonna lose them, because you have to like put them in and then take them off every time you eat. Like at school I would have to go to the bathroom and take them out, because it's like, how the fuck are you gonna take out like retainers with saliva and stuff in front of people eating, like that's just like not like okay. Like I wasn't raised like an animal. Like I didn't even think I was gonna go through with it, but I actually did, because I was really worried about my teeth. I was like, I just want these bitches straight, Yeah, it took about 9 months, and whenever I had them off, my teeth were straighter than this. My teeth were even like more straighter than what they are right now. My mom was being Mexican. I mean, was cleaning my room, and but she threw them away. So now my teeth are shifted. I'll probably have to get Invisalign again, but it probably won't be that long. Yeah, that was Invisalign. That was how my teeth got straight. I actually have a video on how I whiten my teeth, but it was that video was like when I started YouTube, and I was so awkward, and I was like, I didn't know what I was talking. Well, it's not like I know what I'm talking about now, but I was just so awkward. Like, I was so awkward for the camera. I cringe every time I see that video. Plus, I got a new code because I had like the stupidest code back then. I got a new code, thank God. But yeah, if you want to see how I whiten my teeth, keep watching. That was so, oh my God, I'm never doing that again. Okay, so I'm gonna show you my routine. But if you've known me, like if you've been like a Michelle Diaz OG follower, subscriber, whatever, you know that I would die for white style. It doesn't disappoint me. Like, this video is literally not sponsored. Like, it should be because I've gotten so many people on this. But anyways, so this is a new pack that I got. So you get this. Okay, first of all, this is about 270. Okay, so this set is worth, watch, 279 American dollars. Like, that's fucking expensive. So hold on, if you use my code Michelle X Diaz, okay, if you add it to your card and then you enter a code, let's put mine is Michelle X Diaz, and you apply the code, you get $242 off. So you only get this for $38. Let that sink in. Let that sink in. You get $241 with my code Michelle X Diaz. So make sure to use my code. And people are like, oh my God, but does it really work? Like, I know that you got commission off your code. Like, okay, so you get this. So in this packet, you get the instructions, but we don't need those because I'm going to show you how. We get the instructions, and then we get a syringe. So you can pick the flavor. I always pick cotton candy. The flavor literally doesn't matter. Like, they all taste like shit. None of them are going to like taste good because you're not even supposed to eat them anyways. But I always pick cotton candy for some reason. And then you get these things, which I'll show you how to use later. And then you get this light. This is what makes the magic happens. So everyone always asks me, oh my God, I got the light, but like it won't turn on. So it has batteries included. Okay, what you have to do, you have to take off this cap, and then you get the battery. And the battery thing, wait, what the fuck? Oh yeah, here. And the batteries have like a plastic on top that you have to remove. So you have to remove this plastic in order, can you even see it? You have to remove this plastic in order for the batteries to, you know, like touch the surface and like actually work. Once you have the batteries in, you just put the cap back on and you turn it on. Also, this works on sensitive teeth, but in case your teeth are like really sensitive, you can use this and it takes like all the pain away. And then you get this personal tooth whitening shade guide. My hands are actually really white. Like, I take pride in them. This actually like molds to your mouth. Yeah, they're both the same size, so it doesn't really matter which one you put for the top and which one you put for the bottom. Okay, let me go to the kitchen and like show you how to do this. Actually, I might need like the instructions. I haven't done this in so long. So we're gonna grab a pot, and it has to be 4 inches. Are you fucking kidding me? So I just put as much water needed so I can like dunk this or sink this or whatever in the water. So just as long as it covers like this much. And now we're just gonna let it boil. It's 9:08 p.m. I'm being dead ass right now. It's 9:08 p.m. and all I've had today is the coffee. Oh my, these are so weak. Do you hate whenever you fucking open the bag? They're so like unseasoned. So disappointing. I like my man, I like my tits. Disappointing. So fucking annoying. What? Fuck you. Fucking bitch. Lo voy a poner. Lo puse en el otro video. Cuando me dijiste, chica tu madre. El otro video cuando estaba aquí en la cocina. Que te dije, pues no bajes. Y no me dice, ay, te la chingada, chica tu madre. Así. Pues chica tu madre. You smell like apple soda. We're gonna put these in for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 seconds. We're gonna feel them. No, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we're gonna put them.
First you gotta put your neck into it. But don't stop, just do it, do it. Then you roll your tongue from the to.
You're gonna keep sucking on it. So it can mold to your teeth. And then you have your teeth here.
And my crack, my neck, my back, lick.
Okay, yeah, so they literally fit perfectly into my ew, I look so ugly. They literally fit perfectly into my teeth. So now that we did that one, we're gonna do the second one. But I'm not gonna show you because that was very, I could have died. Okay, so once you are done, like once it looks like this, once it literally just fits perfectly in your mouth like this.
And my crack.
You're gonna grab some scissors and you're gonna cut this off because this was just like a thing to grab onto while it was in, oh my god, yeah, while it was in the water. And then I always cut this part over here, like at the top, like that. Like we're just going to like circumcise our retainer. Yeah, that's what we're doing. So then we're gonna take our syringe. Yeah, this is a syringe. And okay, you have to like watch this like very closely. Like this, and then we're gonna put just like one little drop on each tooth. Like 1, 2, oh my god, I'm so sorry. 3, 4. Why am I counting my teeth? We're just gonna put like drops like that. Well, like that, and then I like to spread it so it gets like in between, so it gets in between your teeth. And then you do it to the bottom one as well. And like when you look like a dumbass like this, and it looks like you have like a huge top lip, like you're doing alright.
Put your head on my shoulder.
So I had to have this on for like 30 minutes, so I made a little montage for you guys of me dancing. I hope you guys enjoy. Okay, bye. So I've been trying to come up with a person that would enjoy that, but I just cannot think of one. So yeah, I'm sorry you had to see that. Anyways, moving on.
Okay, 30 minutes passed. That was my exercise for the day and my whitening for the day. You want to make sure you get everything off your teeth. So what I use afterwards, which is also from White with Style, I use this bamboo charcoal toothpaste. This one with this other toothbrush. I brush my teeth with like regular toothpaste and my regular toothbrush, and then I do the whitening, and then I use this. So this is like black toothpaste. You just put it in your brush, and it turns white. We brush our teeth with a normal toothbrush and normal toothpaste, and then we go, you only have to, of course, like do the mouthpieces once. So like once you have them, you just keep washing them and save them. So we make the mouthpieces, make sure when you're making them, don't let them sink for longer than 10 seconds, like in the water, because they're gonna become really soggy and they're eventually like not gonna work. But even if you mess up on these, like they sell the mouthpieces at Walmart and you can make them yourself. Like you can just go buy like new mouthpieces. But then you can put like this much, like one line. This lasts you for so long. I started seeing results after the first time, honestly. I used to do this 3 days a week, and then I started doing it once a week, and then I started doing it once a month. So now I do it once a month. I do brush my teeth with the regular toothpaste and this toothpaste every day, so I kind of brush my teeth twice every day, morning and night. But yeah, make sure you guys use Michelle X Diaz at checkout for Whitewood Style to get a lot of money off. But yeah, that was today's video. It was a well-needed update on how I wipe my teeth because the other video was horrendous. It's still up if you want to watch it and like bully me or whatever. But yeah, that was today's video, and I hope you guys like it, and I love you guys. And subscribe and follow me on my other social media down below, anything you want. And yeah, I'll see you guys later. And then lastly, flaws, even though I know that you're not going to, but bye.
Niggas watching me, so high in the line on green, with a unit on my face, so mean. I got the pig was